Mary, look at this line. It is so long.
I know. I was here yesterday too. Same line, same wait.
How long did you wait yesterday?
About 40 minutes, and then the system stopped working.
That is terrible. What did you do?
I went home and came back today. But look, the line is longer now.
Why do so many people come at the same time?
Because this is the only office open today. The other one is closed.
Only one office for all these people?
Yes, and there is only one person working inside.
I can see that. She looks very tired.
I feel sorry for her. It is not her fault.
You were right, but I am already late for work.
Me too. I called my boss. He was not happy.
What did he say?
He said, "This happens every week, Mary."
Ha, he is right. Every week a long line somewhere.
At the bank, at the doctor, at the post office.
Everywhere. Maybe we need more people working here.
Or maybe a better system. Look, the line is moving now.
Finally, let's go. I do not want to lose my place.
Me neither. Stay close, John. Stay close.